Can you still make money with AdSense for your YouTube channel? Yes, you can still make money with AdSense for your YouTube channel. AdSense is one of the primary ways YouTube creators monetize their content through displaying ads on their videos. As long as you meet the eligibility requirements set by YouTube and adhere to their monetization policies, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning revenue from ads shown on your videos. Keep in mind that factors such as audience size, engagement, and niche can affect your earnings potential. Additionally, diversifying your revenue streams beyond AdSense, such as through sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing, can further increase your income from your YouTube channel. AdSense for YouTube. We're introducing a new beta that brings payment details to the Earn tab of the YouTube Studio mobile app. This beta gives eligible creators an easier way to understand how their earnings translate into payments. With this beta, you can view your progress toward your next payment, your payment history for the last 12 months, including the date, amount paid, and a payment breakdown. Learn more in our forum post. Due to the ongoing war in Ukraine, we will be temporarily pausing Google and YouTube ads from serving to users located in Russia. Learn more. AdSense for YouTube is Google's program through which creators in the YouTube Partner Program get paid. To start getting paid on YouTube, set up an AdSense for YouTube account from within YouTube Studio. Use this page to learn more about how to use AdSense for YouTube as a YouTube creator. Subscribe to the YouTube Creators channel for the latest news, updates, and tips. Get started with AdSense for YouTube. Remember, you get paid your YouTube earnings through your AdSense for YouTube account. Follow the steps below to get started with AdSense for YouTube. Set up an account. First, set up an AdSense for YouTube account in YouTube Studio if you don't already have one. We've created a detailed set of instructions and also address some common issues with setting up AdSense for YouTube. Set up an AdSense for YouTube account to get paid on YouTube. Only one AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account under the same payee name is allowed per AdSense's terms and conditions or AdSense for YouTube terms of service, as applicable. So, make sure you don't have duplicate accounts when linking with your YouTube channel. If you just want to change the AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account linked to your channel, follow these steps. Verify your personal info. Once set up, it's time to verify your personal info. When your earnings pass the address verification threshold for your YouTube Payments account, we will mail a personal identification number, PIN, to your physical address. This PIN needs to be entered into your AdSense for YouTube account to verify your address before you can get paid. More info here. Address verification, PIN, overview. Also, depending on your location, we may need to verify your identity using info like your name, address, or date of birth. If you're required to do this, you typically won't be asked to verify your address until after you've successfully verified your identity. Learn more on how to do this here. Verify your identity. Provide your tax info. After providing your personal info, you'll need to provide your tax info to continue. Google withholds U.S. taxes on earnings you generate from viewers in the U.S., so this info is important to provide to determine your correct withholding rate. Find out how to submit your tax info and more here. Submitting your U.S. tax info to Google. U.S. tax requirements for YouTube earnings. Add a form of payment. When your info is verified, you then need to pass the payment method selection threshold for your YouTube Payments account. This is the minimum amount we can pay out to you, so once you have that much in your YouTube Payments account, you'll be asked to select a form of payment. Find all the options and steps here. Add your payment method for AdSense for YouTube. Get paid. Your finalized YouTube earnings each month are added to your YouTube Payments account balance in AdSense for YouTube between the 7th and 12th of the following month. Once added, you can view payment details, such as applicable tax deductions, in the Transactions page. Sign into AdSense for YouTube. In the left menu, select Payment Info under Payments. Click View Transactions in the Transactions section of the page. You should get paid by the 21st or 26th each month if your balance meets the payment threshold and there aren't any payment holds on your account. Example, if the YouTube payment threshold is $100 and you reach that threshold amount in June, then we will issue you a payment by July 26th, if not earlier. AdSense for YouTube and YouTube Payments account. YouTube has a dedicated AdSense for YouTube account, allowing creators a quick access to their finalized YouTube earnings in AdSense for YouTube. Payments for YouTube earnings are separated into its own payments account. This means that the YouTube and AdSense payments accounts have separate payment threshold amounts. That's important to understand if you use AdSense to get paid for more than just YouTube, as it could affect payment timing. Any details of your paid YouTube earnings before 2022 and any other AdSense earnings will remain associated with your AdSense payments account. Any outstanding YouTube earnings will have been moved into the YouTube payments account.